Good morning, dear student. Today I am telling to you about the derivation of lens maker formula for a convex lens. Though the formula will remain same for concave lens also. But as I had already told you, most of the derivation we are doing for convex lens and concave mirror. So this fact you have to remember. Though the formula remains same for convex as well as concave lens. So here I had taken a convex lens, that is XY. This convex lens is having two surface. The surface one is X P1 Y. Surface 2 is X P2 Y. See, surface X P2 Y is having its center of curvature C2. Surface X P1 Y is having its center of curvature C1. So the distance from center of the lens, this is C. C is the center of the lens. C of C1 is called R1. C of C2 is called R2. So this is center of radius of curvature. And derivation again I am telling to you for point object. Let a point object O is here. So from this O, the two ray will get incident. Number one is this at point A1. And at A1 what will happen? Refraction will takes place, and the refracted ray is A1 A2. A1 A2. If this ray will go in straight line, the image will be formed here. This is called I dash. Why I had shown to you by dash line? Because it is virtual image here. Actually no ray is passing here. The ray is being refracted from the second surface here, A2 point, and the ray is going actually at I. But due to first surface, the image is being formed at I dash. It means the situation has become when the object is in rare medium and the image is in denser medium, either real or virtual. The formula will remain same. This formula yesterday I had explained to you for refraction through spherical surface when the object is in rare medium. So this is mu1 upon CO plus mu2 upon Ci dash is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon C dash. Surface 1 C1. Substituting the value of CO according to the sign convention, CO, that is C2 O point. So CO is distance of object. This is called minus U because incident ray was like this and I am measuring the distance opposite to this. So this will become minus U, and V dash is like this. This is V dash. So V dash is positive. So I will substitute the value of here. That is called, I will divide it this by mu1 only. So this will become mu upon V dash, that is mu minus 1 upon R1. This formula yesterday you had derived. When the object is in rare medium, the image is in denser medium. This is called equation number 1. But see what is happening after this point, the A1, after A1 point, the image is being refracted. The actual image is being formed at I. It means for surface X P2 Y, the image I1 will, or I dash will behave as object and its image will be formed at I. So hence what can I substitute the value here? In this case the position has become, see, I dash is no position. So I will take the I dash is in denser medium. Now object is in denser medium. So that's why I am saying for surface X P2Y, the virtual object is in denser medium. Now for second surface the object is in denser medium. So second formula will be applicable here. That is minus mu2 upon Ci dash plus mu1 upon Ci plus mu2 minus mu1 upon C2. So what I will do, I will divide this again by mu1. The formula will become mu upon V dash. Ci dash according to sign convention, that is positive, and 1 upon V, this is also positive, but this is mu minus 1. So this minus will come here. Minus I will take common to make it this. So that is called mu minus 1 upon R2 because R2 was negative. That's why this is the negative sign here. This negative sign is due to R2. You know R2 is negative, opposite to the incident ray. So this R2 is coming negative. So this is called equation number 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This is from first surface This is from second surface. For lens maker formula, you have to directly write these formula. So, and on adding these two formula together, so mu upon v dash and mu upon v dash will get eliminated. So what is left? Minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to, this is mu minus 1 is common. So what is left? 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So this is left. Understood or not? This is the refracted formula. Now next, on this case, on this formula, now suppose for first focus f1, let the object is placed at, u is placed at focus. So image will be formed at infinity. V is equal to infinity. If the object is at focus 1, so image will be at this. Substituting their value 1 upon f1 with negative sign. So this will become positive, is equal to mu minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Understood? In second condition, what can I say? I can say suppose the object is at infinity. So image will be formed at focus 2. So 1 upon f2 is equal to again mu minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. But you can check the formula of 1 upon f1 and 1 upon f2, both are the same. So it will become 1 upon f1 is equal to 1 upon f2, or I can write f1 is equal to f2 is equal to f. It means focus of the lens remain same, either the first focus or second focus. Second focus is known as main focus of the lens. So the formula has become 1 upon f is equal to mu minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This formula is only called lens maker formula, because with the help of this formula we can construct a lens of required focal length, which is of particular refractive index. So this is Gaussian form of lens maker formula. It means the relationship between f, v and u. F is focal length, v is image distance, u is object distance. So this is called Gaussian form of lens formula. So that's all for today. Go through the derivation and try to interpret this. In case of any query, you may feel free to ask. Thank you and have a great day.